In the long list of people who have benefited because of Sushant Singh Rajput's death, one name has been added. और वो नाम है डैनी फर्नांडिस करके एक स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन का. आई एम श्योर मेरी तरह आपने भी उसके बारे में कभी सुना नहीं होगा, बट नाउ थैंक्स टू सुशांत सिंह राजपूत ही इज़ बीन पुट ऑन द मैप. और ये क्यों हुआ ये सब आई एम श्योर आप जानते हो, बिकॉज डैनी फर्नांडिस डिसाइडेड टू पोक फन एट सुशांत सिंह राजपूत केस एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू मेक जोक्स अबाउट सुशांत सिंह राजपूत डेथ. और उसने काफ़ी सारी बातें कही अपने वीडियो में जो उन्होंने स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी की थी मुंबई में और पुणे में, एंड देन ही वेंट अहेड एंड पुट इट ऑन हिज यूट्यूब चैनल. उसके बाद क्या था, of course the video became viral, a lot of people started talking about it, and the SSRians and the Sushant Singh Rajput fans went all over the town demeaning him and telling him that what he has done is wrong and his channel will be reported, and then he's been told that उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई भी हो सकती है और उनको बहुत सारी ट्रोलिंग मिली. इसके बाद अब डैनी फर्नांडिस ने एक अपॉलॉजी इशू की है, लेकिन उस अपॉलॉजी के बारे में बात करूँ उसके पहले लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट ऑल ही सेड इन दिस वीडियो. इन दिस वीडियो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के डेथ से लेकर रिया चक्रवर्ती की अरेस्ट से लेकर कंगना रनावत के इन्वॉल्वमेंट, CBI और बाकी फेडरल एजेंसीज़ के इन्वॉल्वमेंट, मीडिया के बारे में उन्होंने कहा है. एंड इन दी एंड ही इवन सेड दैट रिया हैज़ बीन एक्विटेड बाय द बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट, विच इज़ फैक्चुअली इनकरेक्ट, एंड ही हैज़ गॉन एड एंड अपोलोजाइज फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. बट whatever he said in this vein of joking about Sushant Singh Rajput case, a lot of people found very offensive, and it always happens with stand-up comedians that they often cross the line. मुझे कई बार ये भी लगता है कि जितने भी stand-up comedians हैं वो जो दुबई भी आते हैं और काफ़ी सारे countries में perform करते हैं all across the globe, a lot of times they just make jokes out of India and Indians, and they get the laughter at the cost of us, people who live in India and people who are from India. और इसको बहुत सारे लोग देखते हैं और बहुत सारे लोग इसको देखकर मज़ा उठाते हैं, बट इसमें नुकसान किसका होता है? इंडियंस का. और रियली देखने वाली बात और शर्म करने वाली बात तो ये भी है कि द पीपल हु आर एक्चुअली लाफिंग एंड क्लैपिंग एंड जोकिंग अबाउट इट अलॉन्ग विद द कॉमेडियन आर द इंडियंस themselves who are living abroad. So really you have to ask the question, ये जोक किस पर है? The jokes on you, बिकॉज आप अपने ही लोगों पर हंस रहे हो और वो भी किसी और कंट्री में. बहरहाल आप पहले इस वीडियो को देखिए और फिर हम आगे बात करते हैं.
This is not my first live show after the lockdown. Yeah, by the way, I did get a chance to go to Dubai and do a show last month. It's a lot of fun. But I felt really bad for the people in Dubai when I was there, because they were all being like super careful and shit, dude. Yeah, they were like washing their hands, wearing masks, getting tested. Like, they were so cautious. And I was like, bro, not in India. Here we already have the vaccine. It's called #Justice for Sushant. Yeah. Because you remember, right, what happened? Like the whole world, everybody around the world was like, okay, listen, man, we want updates on COVID numbers. We want to know what the government's doing to revive the economy, all of that kind of stuff. In India, what are we doing? We want justice! रिया को जेल में डालो! भाई साहब, कोविड को भी जेल में डालो! And for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, yeah, because some of you live in Pimpri. Very popular Bollywood actor, Sushant Singh Rajput, died by suicide, allegedly because of depression. Depression is a mental illness that makes people say nice things about you after you kill yourself. Anyway, so like the whole country was shocked. Like they couldn't believe that a grown man could take his own life. So in true Indian fashion, everybody agreed that it must be a woman's fault. 3 federal agencies were leading this witch hunt. Sorry, investigation. And CBI Director Kangana Ranaut was leading the investigation, and that's when shit really hit the fan. Are you surprised by how badly Bollywood got railroaded? Bollywood always felt like a safe space, right? Like you could do anything if you're a Bollywood actor. You could do anything and get away with it. Like you go for parties and you'll be like, yeah, it's okay. I've not had too much to drink. I can drive. And then suddenly you're like, oh my God, is this the footpath? What? And you could get away with stuff like that. But not now. Like now there's like so much of hate for Bollywood. So much of hate because of what happened with Sushant. Like in fact, now for any of their films in the future to do well, one of the lead actors will have to die before the release. Yeah. Can you imagine the meeting with the producers? They're like, listen, man, we need this movie to be a massive hit. We also need this to be your last movie. Yeah, you have to take one for the team. No. Canada is not your team. That is just what it says on your passport. आम तो तू इंडिया का ही खाता है. Yeah, some of my punchlines are also riddles. Indian news channels also jumped into this, lost their fucking minds, dude. Indian news channels are pretending to be stupid because they know their audience is stupid. And stupidity is good for advertising. I saw this clip. I don't know if you saw this. I saw this clip of this reporter who's in a car and she's chasing Deepika Padukone, who's in another car, and both their windows are up. And this reporter is asking Deepika, आप drugs लेती है Deepika? Now, I'm not a rocket scientist, but if you are inside a moving car with your windows up and you're trying to have a conversation with someone who is in another moving car with their windows up, madam, you're the one doing drugs. Did you guys shit yourself when Navika Kumar started reading out Ria's chats, WhatsApp chats on the air? Yeah, I threw my phone in a bucket of water. I was like, I don't know, I'm going to read it. Then I found out my phone is water resistant. So I took it out, dried it up nicely, and I burned it. Yeah, but I've stopped using WhatsApp now. It's not safe anymore. I just write letters now. Dear Praveen, मेथी खत्म हुआ है, मार्केट से लाना. Warm regards, Daniel Fernandez. And after all of this drama, Ria was acquitted by the High Court because there was no evidence that she was part of a drug syndicate. AIMS Hospital declared that Sushant died by suicide and he was not murdered. And the CBI went unusually quiet. And I have this one question. Chutiya kaun? Kaun? Chutiya kaun? All of this drama could have been avoided if people were just smart enough and had voted for the BJP in the Maharashtra elections.
Now you saw this video, you have your own opinion about it, which of course you can let me know in the comment section. But before you do that, let me also tell you that Danny has gone ahead and apologized. उनकी apology में उन्होंने लिखा है, my recent stand-up video appears to have offended a lot of fans of the late Sushant Singh Rajput, many of who have pointed out that an apology is in order, and I agree. As a comedian, my intention is always only to entertain you and make you laugh, but sometimes in that endeavor, it is possible that I might evoke an unfavorable response. That being said, I would like to address my mistake. Towards the end of this bit, I said that Ria has been acquitted of her charges. That is factually incorrect. She has been released on bail. For some weird reason, I used the word acquitted by mistake in the Pune show. It is definitely not how I have written and performed it elsewhere. I take that back and apologize to anyone whose feelings may have been hurt. आगे वो लिखते हैं, Also, through an editing oversight, one of my favorite jokes from this set got left out of the final cut. To fix this, I will upload a new version of this video with that joke next week. I stand by everything else that I said. और इसके बाद काफ़ी लोगों ने इस पर भी बहुत सारी प्रतिक्रियाएं दी और उनके जो पहले वीडियो थे उस पर ट्विटर पे लोगों ने कहा कि मेकिंग जोक्स ऑफ अ ट्रेजेडी ऑफ दिस स्केल इज़ very unwarranted and in very bad taste. And then a lot of comments you might have seen on Twitter और उनके Instagram post पे भी है. But इस apology के बाद भी a lot of people are asking that is this really an apology? Because the video still stands. और अगर आप सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जैसे केस पर वीडियो बनाते हो और ख़ास करके जब आप कुछ बोलते हो ऐसी सारी चीज़ें जो आपको पता है कि लोगों को ऑफेंड करेगी, यू ऑलरेडी नो कि इस पर क्या रिएक्शंस आएंगे. व्हेन यू डू अ वीडियो लाइक दिस, यू नो कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे और किस तरीके से ये वीडियो वायरल होगी. सो आई वांट टू आस्क यू, इज़ इट लाइक अ प्लान स्ट्रैटेजी बाय अ स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन टू एंश्योर दैट ही इज़ पुट ऑन द मैप, एंड विच इज़ प्रिसाइसली व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. सो द अदर क्वेश्चन इज़ अगेन, ये जोक किस पर है? सुशांत सिंह राजपूत पर, उस कॉमेडियन पर जिन्होंने ये जोक्स बनाए, या फिर हम पर? I leave it to you. So leave those comments. Please keep them coming. And as always, if you like my content, then subscribe, hit on the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching.